Climate change affects people differently due to not everyone having the same means of living, therefore making some more vulnerable than others to the effect of climate change. We must work on being able to provide access to justice for everyone, no matter what's their economical or social situation. As tech students, we have many privileges and don't see the same repercussions on climate change, unlike most of the population in Mexico.
As we already said in the previous question, climate change affects people in different ways. Our carbon footprint may affect some people more than others. For example, people who work on the massive production of food, especially in fruits and vegetables. Some of them work for more time and they earn less money than others in order to provide the food necessary for our society.
It ends up affecting their economy since we start choosing another way to buy our needs than the purchase of products. With them, they see their economy affected. And in this way, we also have a negative effect on our ecological footprint.
In the engineering discipline, there are sub-disciplines that can produce quantitative results that lead to conclusions in regards to climate change, such as biotech or sustainable tech. So engineering opens the door to measure how much an enterprise or government contributes to climate change, so then each enterprise can be forced to compensate for their damage according to how much they've harmed and neglected to stop climate change in the past.
Engineering can help the process of mitigation and adaptation to climate change. Everything will depend on the training, education, and interest of the people who apply their knowledge and skills within the various specialties within engineering: chemical, industrial, civil, environmental, mechanical, human. The struggle for committing and respect for environment has driven good managers to be more proactive and reactive. A good environmental manager in the position of director or manager not only processes the paperwork and complies with regulations or standards, but also proposes, directs, motivates, and acts inside and outside the organization. Proactive rather than reactive environmental actions that implement more sustainable consumption and production from present to future generations.